quick one I just want to introduce to you. You know, a lot of us be complaining about sunburn too much, and it affect me when you complain because it can't really, be that your brother, your sister complaining you can help them. That is so weird. You know, I don't know what really caused your sunburn. Maybe you went to use some cheap lotions and all that, or due to, I don't know, anyway, some other reactions. But all I know, I have the cure for you because sunburn must go. All right, no matter how it is, if it should be for some while you be getting it. That's why I'm introducing to you sunburn eraser. All right, this is a sunburn eraser and sunburn cleanser. So this is two things I'm introducing to you. This one is the cleanser and this one is the eraser. The eraser, you know. So what you do, you have to use the cleanser to apply to clean the place that is the affected area. No matter how the sun exposure, maybe you didn't your lotion, there wasn't any SPF, there wasn't any sunburn protection, any sunblock. Alright, but it's nice on you and you still continue wanna using it, you still wanna use that lotion, fine. But if you know you don't want to discontinue it and start treating your face now, I could see a lot of, you can see all those kind of sunburn, you can see all those dark, places on your face, like this one on the screen now. Trust me, this is the only cure that you can use for such sunburn. Okay, yes, this one is just natural. Are you getting it? I actually got it from this Chinese people. It's not, I didn't make it myself. I got it from the Chinese people. Are you getting it? Because I saw when they made the advert and I kind of like it, and I said, okay, let me just go for it. Wish I got it for a customer which was having a very, you can see it on the screen, he was having a very dark, sunburn, and like I said, oh, I think I have a very nice nice, unique and natural ingredient for you. Say, oh, anyway, it's made of turmeric, so so don't think, oh, maybe it's chemical. No, are you getting it? So it's all turmeric and all that natural herbs and natural fruits also. So I tell you, real talk, all you just need to do, open this. When you open this, then you apply, use your tissue to it and clean, apply to the affected area, clean it very well, okay? Then you can apply this as a mask. Are you getting it? Trust me, 1 week you see that place will peel off. It will peel off. It will clean it off, no matter what it is. For those of you who be thinking, should I get from him or should I not get from him? Yes, keep thinking until when all that will pass you by, because no be one, so I know they announce that every day, but as it take day like this, it dey finish, and I tell you, this one I got it from the Chinese people. I won't be like those people who come here, oh, this is my product, blah blah blah. Oh, not me do you hear me? And it's 100% tested, because whatever I get, I always test, make sure, yes, it works. So when I get for this customer, before I get it for her, I've already tested all of everything. I took it to the lab and I checked in all of everything. Like, is there any acid on it? Or blah blah blah. There wasn't any acid. Like, everything's been made of just natural, organic ingredients. So it's very good for any area you be having this sunburn and pimples. Some people have pimples on their chest, yeah, like this one I'm about showing you. All right, so it could be that maybe some reactions from some lotions or heat, this thing, this cleanser, this sunburn cleanser and eraser will take off those dark spots and pimples off your chest, off your back, and off your face. All you just need to do, use this to clean and use this to apply as a mask. Then oton, Yoruba say oton. The rest is history. Come on, don't be, thinking should I get from him? That is what is really, really, really holding you back, that your sunburn is getting, expanding every day. Discontinue on that lotion and jump at this. Though it's very expensive, stop using cheap things until yes, stop using them, because you think, oh, it's too cost. It's not too cost. Don't you know, before whitening, skin maintenance is a good business for you. You want to look good for your bubble or for your husband or for anybody. You want to look good, so you have to take off yourself, right? And hey, you don't go say, make I go buy that person. They sell ₦1. They sell ₦1. Those ₦1, that is what? Yes, a big name of, I don't want to mention name of a big name, blah blah blah. I got this from one big name, blah blah blah. Yeah, big name, man, and it big your face, right? That's it. You know who I'm talking to. You know what I'm talking about. So that is your own problem, right? I don't blame whoever you go buy from. All right, that's your own thing, right? So that is it. So that is that. Other than that, we've come to the end of the class. But don't forget, we ship everywhere. All right, we ship Canada, Asia country, you just name it, US, Europe, Africa country, we ship everywhere. Even inside Nigeria, we deliver everywhere. And we have our shipping company, which is Austin Global Logistic. Everything we ship. Even though you want wigs, we ship to you anywhere. Or you want something else that we don't sell, you want us to ship it to you, we can ship to you. Our logistic is well trusted. Are you getting it? Yes, our logistic is well trusted. We can ship for you at a low super rate. Are you getting it? Yes, we ship for you. If you want us to use cargo, you want us to use DHL, whatever you want us to use for you, we use for you. We bring it to you, to your doorstep. You know what I mean? I said, I love you all. Bye-bye.